Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 13 Ardley Road. This lovely 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. It's got off-road parking here to the front and a really delightful garden to the rear. And then moving into the property, and we've got the hallway here with the stairs leading up to the first floor. And then on the right hand side we've got the separate reception room. Lovely bay window here to the front aspect. Built-in cupboards. And a nice traditional style fireplace. And then into the open plan dining kitchen. Now we've got double doors going out to the rear garden. And we've also got integrated fridge and freezer, as well as the integrated double cooker. And built-in understairs storage cupboard. Then we've got the 4-ring electric hob, space for the washing machine. And then there's a further door leading out to the rear garden. Onto the first floor landing, we've got a built-in cupboard here housing the gas boiler, 3 bedrooms and the bathroom. So the bedroom here to the rear, lovely aspect across the garden. Second bedroom. This one with the window to the front aspect. And then we've got bedroom number 3. Into the bathroom, we've got WC, panel bath with shower above, pedestal wash basin and bidet. And then into the garden, we've got the flagged patio area here with a couple of steps up to the lawned garden section. Then we've got gated access which leads back through to the front of the house. And then here at the rear of the garden we've got a further block paved area, raised beds, further fenced boundaries and a timber shed. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you would like some further information, then please do contact the office and we'll hopefully speak to you very soon. Thanks for now. Bye bye.